Vowels. Hi kids. You guys studied consonants in last class. I hope you understand. Today we learn vowels. Do you know there are 5 letters in the English alphabet? These are A, E, I, O, U. Let's learn all the vowels one by one. A. A for apple. A for ant. E. E for elephant. E for eggs. I. I for ice cream. I for iron. O. O for owl. O for ostrich. U. U for umbrella. U for unicycle. Find out the vowels from the cloud. Yes, you are right. A, E, I, O, U. Hope you understand the vowels. Next chapter is to letter words. We will learn about this when we meet again. See you next time.